Hello, boys and girls, and welcome to Step Up to Writing, Unit 2, Lesson 4, Nouns. I can. We always begin with our I can statement. That means we will say what we will be able to do by the end of the lesson. So, I can use common nouns and proper nouns in my sentences. Let's read that again. I can use common nouns and proper nouns in my sentences. All right, let's move on. Unit 2, Lesson 4, Review. What is a noun? You read, what is a noun? Do you remember? Maybe you remember. Let's see. A noun is a word that names a person, a place, or a thing. So we could say a noun is a person, place, or thing. Let's move on. Here's some examples. A person might be Barack Obama. There he is, a very smart person. A place like Puerto Rico. There it is, a very special place that has a name. Or a thing like a guitar. That's a noun. So a person, place, or thing could be a noun. Let's practice. There are 3 things here. One is a person, one is a place, and one is a thing. Which one is a person? Can you point to it? Point to the person. There it is. Did you say Jorge is the person? Did you point to Jorge? Yes, he's a person. Where is the place? A place. You're right. It's the classroom. That's a place. Excellent. And that means a pencil must be a thing. You're right. So a person, place, or thing are nouns. These are all nouns. Today we'll talk about 2 kinds of nouns: proper nouns and common nouns. Proper nouns are the names of people, places, and some things. So when something has a special name, it's a proper noun. Let's see. Proper nouns must begin with an uppercase letter. Uppercase, that means a capital letter, like this big P here. Okay? Using nouns, examples of proper nouns. So here's some examples for you. Some places that are proper nouns, that means they have uppercase letters, like America, Syria, Puerto Rico, Buffalo, Ethiopia. These are all places that have special names, so when we write them, we use an uppercase letter. People. People's names are proper nouns, like Amjad, Sophia, Aina, Jatziel, Windel, Lottie. These are all people and their names, so they all have an uppercase letter when we write them. Let's move on. Things, special things that have names, like the Eiffel Tower in France. There it is, the Eiffel Tower in France. Or Mount Rushmore. Mount Rushmore is a special name of this special thing, this special mountain. So the special mountain and the special tower have special names. Okay? Using proper nouns. Here, we're going to practice now. Can you fix the proper nouns in these sentences? Fix the mistakes and write them on your paper now, please. So get out your paper, boys and girls, and I want you to rewrite these sentences, but find the mistakes and fix them. Okay, I'm going to read them. Ian and Noella, that's a boy and a girl, Ian and Noella are eating apples on the steps of City Hall. There's a picture. In Buffalo. I'll read it again. Ian and Noella are eating apples on the steps of City Hall in Buffalo. Write this down and fix the mistakes. Let's read the second one. My friend Annalise, she's a girl. My friend Annalise, that's her name, does all of her homework and loves to draw pictures of Puerto Rico. I'll read it again. My friend Annalise does all of her homework and loves to draw pictures of Puerto Rico. So you can stop the video here, boys and girls, and write these sentences and fix their mistakes. Using proper nouns. Check your work. Here are the corrected sentences. Here are the right answers. So, Ian is a name, so we gave it an uppercase letter. Noella is a name of a girl. We gave that word a capital letter. City Hall is a special place in Buffalo. It is capitalized, meaning it has uppercase C and H. And Buffalo is a place, a special place, the name of a place. Buffalo gets an uppercase B. In this sentence, Annalise is a girl's name, my friend. She gets an uppercase A in her name. And Puerto Rico is a special place. The name of that special place gets uppercase P and R. Good work. You can stop the video if you need to write these. Using nouns. Common nouns. Common nouns are words for people, places, or things that are not specific. What does that mean? This means that they don't have a special name. We give them a regular name. Let's see some examples. First, common nouns don't begin with a capital letter unless they are the first word in a sentence, right? No matter what the word is, if it's the first word, it always begins with an uppercase letter. Examples of common nouns. Some places like the playground, a classroom, a store, a mosque. These are places, but they're not special names. We know these words as places. People, boy, girl, teacher, uncle, grandmother, cousin. Now, if you said grandmother Anna, well, then Anna would be and have an uppercase A in that. But if you just say my grandmother, that's not her name, but she's still a grandmother, so you don't have to capitalize the G or uppercase G. Things like an eraser, a toaster, a hijab, a hat, mittens, pizza. Those are all things. Those are common nouns. So common nouns don't have uppercase letters. Using nouns game. You want to play a game with me? Let's play a game. Common noun or proper noun. Say common noun or proper noun when you see the word. Let's see if you can say it before I give you the answer. Here's our first example. Common noun or proper noun? David. Is that a common noun or proper noun? Say it. You're right. It's a proper noun. It's a name of a person. David is the boy's name, so it starts with a capital D. Let's try another one. Mr. Medina. Mr. Medina. Is that a proper noun or a common noun? You ready? What do you say? Did you say proper noun? You are right. It's a proper noun because it's the name of our principal, Mr. Medina. If we just said the principal, that's not a name, so that would have a small p. But this is our principal's name, Mr. Medina, so it needs uppercase letters. Butterfly. Proper noun or common noun? Say it. Common noun. Were you right? Give yourself a pat on the back. Excellent job. Common noun, butterfly. Not a name. Cafeteria. That's a place. That's a noun. Is it a proper noun or common noun? Common noun. You're right. It's a common noun. It is not the name of a place per se, not a special name. It's just any cafeteria. Marker. Common noun or proper noun? It's a thing, right? Common noun or proper noun? You're right. It's a common noun. Excellent job. Boys and girls, I think you understand this now. You are so smart. Great work. Thank you, boys and girls, for working with me. We'll do more in our next lesson. Take care. See you later.